The normal operation of a diesel engine in a vehicle as a source of motion is carried out in 4 strokes: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During the intake stroke, the combustion chamber is filled with air. During the compression stroke, the air inside the chamber is compressed, so it heats up, and this causes the injected fuel to ignite explosively, while in turn rapidly expands the gases inside the combustion chamber. With this, the engine produces energy to power the vehicle. The next stroke of the cycle is exhaust, and the gases resulting from combustion are released to the atmosphere. In addition to producing motion, the process generates a lot of heat and requires an efficient cooling system to prevent the engine from overheating. When you need to stop the vehicle, you apply the service brakes. The friction of the brake linings against the brake discs or drums brings the vehicle to a stop. The inertia of the vehicle is turned into heat, which is dissipated into the atmosphere. Friction tends to overheat the metal of the discs or drums, as well as damaging the brake linings. If this situation goes on for several minutes, a sudden failure of the brake system can occur and the vehicle goes out of control. This situation can be resolved by using the vehicle engine as a brake, by temporarily using the engine as a compressor. When the engine is used as a compressor, it stops producing heat, and now it uses up the energy of the vehicle's inertia and turns it into heat, which is efficiently transferred to the atmosphere by the engine's cooling system. The way in which the engine is turned into a compressor is the following. Fuel injection into the combustion chamber is disabled, so the engine temperature goes down. The valve timing is modified so the compressed air is released to the atmosphere through the exhaust valve at the end of the compression stroke. The heat generated by the compression is absorbed and dissipated by the engine cooling system. This eliminates the need for using the service brakes when slowing down and using them only when a total stop is required. Summarizing, when the engine is powering the vehicle, it generates motion and heat during the air compression and fuel combustion. When the engine is used as a compressor, it slows the vehicle down and produces heat due to air compression. Whenever you require to bring the vehicle to a dead stop, you apply the service brakes, that is, the friction brakes. This prevents the service brakes from overheating when, say, going downhill for a while. I hope this very basic explanation has been useful to you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.